Sisemzimkhulu wezohatshe eJohannesburg kulapho uzihlanganisela khona indaba ezi nanzi ezithujileko.
We must create a labor market that will effectively create employment opportunities for young people, including those with no skills.
Isekela likamongameli uPaul Mashatile uthi kufanele bamukele ukuthi umraro welutsha elingasebenziko mumbi khulu.
We mustn't trade there because they want to clean the roads. We cannot all be people who are educated in the office. We are in the streets. I'm educated. Here am I trading.
Abathengisi bendleleni eJohannesburg bebachakala ngaphandle kwekhotho kaMagistrata wakhona eJohannesburg balila ngokuthi bamqothe ngani izikukathu nabavalelwa ukuthengisa endleleni.
Jwale ka family re nyaka bona go phethagala toka ka bana ba khotsi bana ba asibana ba go tshwenya ke bana ba lethabo ba fophela ba thabile.
Bayanqwatshwa kusasa abentazana ababili ababulewe ngesihlungu eMamelodi ngokunjalo naGamoro eMpumalanga ebeyaziwa ngeKamel Rafir kusasa kungcwatshwa amalunga amane womndeni wakaNthweni athethwe ingozi yekoloyi.
It is never an easy game to play against Pirates because you see this season they've been doing well.
Siqalela umdlalo weMamelodi Sundowns neOrlando Pirates oyokudlalelwa ePitori kusasa. Siyalochisa emakhaya sifahla amakhaza wehlobo siza nendaba zesiNdebele kuSABC 1 lotshani sitshaba sekosi. Isekela likamongameli uPaul Mashatile uthi kufanele bamukele ukuthi umraro welutsha elingasebenziko mumbi khulu. Ubethula inkulumo yelanga nakuvulwa iYouth Investment indaba ebanjwe liziko elizokuthuthukisa ilutsha elizweni eJohannesburg. Umholi weNational Coloured Congress uFadil Adams umangalele ukomishara wamapolisa uGeneral Fani Masemula estation samapolisa eKapa uthi lokho kulandela ilwazi alifumene kweliveza ukuthi uMasemula uqatshe amalunga omndeni akhe ofisini ngaphandle kokulandela ikambiso efaneleko batsho abanye babo abanazo nemfanelo zokusebenza lapho.
Inkokheli yeNational Coloured Congress uFadil Adams ufuna uGeneral Fani Masemula achuchiswe phansi kwezitsholo zokuba uqesha izizalwane kwiofisi yakhe.
Our sources say that this information is very, very reliable. This is why we've opened a criminal case and we've asked that this issue be transferred to the anti-corruption unit in Pretoria, and they will finish the investigation and a prosecutor will decide if we're taking this thing to court. And that's how it's supposed to work. We are not coming here accusing anyone of anything without any evidence. We are actually putting names, dates, time frames into what we have.
uAdams uhlaba ikhwelo kuMasemula ukuba aziphike ezizitsholo edlulisa esithi lomba ayingowengqesho nje kodwa lulwaphulo mthetho.
It cannot be an HR matter if it keeps on happening. That tells me that HR is compromised, that HR is captured and controlled. How do you get 6 of your family members and an alleged girlfriend into high positions? Some of them with no experience, some of them with half experience, one of them with criminal allegations hanging over her head. And it becomes an HR matter.
Ebutsheni baleveki uAdams umangalele inhloko yamapolisa aKwaZulu Natal uNtshengele uNhlanhla Mkhwanazi phansi kwezitsholo zokukhohlisa ikomiti yaseParlamente ngokuba oyisakuba ngumphathiswa wamapolisa uBheki Cele wazuza amaqithiqithi asuka kuVusimuzi Khet Matlala. Umkhwanazi sele eyirhoxisile lentetho.
The National Commissioner is the one that is the buck stops with him. He's the accounting officer for the SAPS. If his underlings are buying Lamborghinis, hotels and going on holidays overseas without tax money, he's the one signing it off. He's the one implicated. I believe that he should have been at the gates of jail. I think that that press conference that Mkhwanazi called was to save his friends. This has got nothing to do with ethics. As a matter of fact, I don't know if the man has ethics. Remember, he issued a very veiled threat at me yesterday. A very veiled one. Here's my response. I will see your bet and I'll raise it. Next week, General Mkhwanazi, I will lay charges about the extrajudicial killings of children that's happening in KZN under your watch.
uAdams uthi uzimisele ukunika ubungqina kwikomishoni kaJaji Madlanga Kwiindaba ze-SABC Dingubulelani Philip eKapa.
Kanti umkhulumeli wamapholisa uBrigadier Atlenda Mathe uqinisekisile ukuthi icala livuliwe. Umphenyi uzokukhethwa ukuthi aphenye zonke insolo ezibikweko. Ihlangano eTsheje ihlala kuhle yabantu iSeri ithethe isiqundo sokuyokumangalela umkhandlu Dorobha weJohannesburg ekhotho okulandela ihlelo lomkhandlu lo lokususa abantu abathengisako kwezinye ingcenye zedorobha leJohannesburg.
Abathengisa endleleni zeJohannesburg abakhutshwe ngekani endaweni ebebathengisela kizo edrobheni leJohannesburg njengengcenye yokuhlwengisa idorobha bathi impilo yabo iphazamiseke kakhulu ngalokho. Bebachagala namhlanje ngaphandle kwekhotho kaMagistrata weJohannesburg ngaphambi kokuthi kulalelwe isimangalo esifakwe ihlangano iSocio-Economic Rights Institute nomkhandlu Dorobha weJohannesburg. Umasipalata weJohannesburg ufaka ihlelo lokususa abathengisa endleleni abathengisa ngaphandle kwemvumo. Bayalila abathengisa endleleni bathi alo umkhandlu Dorobha lona wenza nje uthi badleni baphile njani. Kanti nenhlangano zepolitiki bezikhona nazo kulomchakalo. Nasize emoyeni isimangalo besisesekhotho.
Iyavaleka namhlanje inyanga yezokuthutha eSouth Africa kodwa nakusese nefuneko yokuphakamisa kwezokuphepha endleleni njengoba nakusese nomraro omkhulu nje. Njengoba nachidela ama-holiday wokuphela komnyaka wangoNobayeni, imphathimandla zikhombela abashayeli ukuthi abakhweli nabakhamba ngenyawo ukuthi balandele imithetho yendlela. Kanti ihlangana kwakho konke lokhu ungazimbe wasinda engozini yendlela nehlangano eTsheje ukuphepha kwabantwana bachotshozela ukuphepha endleleni.
Impilo kaZolethu yajuguluka ngobusuku bephathi yokumngenisa esigabeni sabachadileko iBachelor's Party. Umtshayeli ohamlileko nakaza kulahlekelwa lilawulo wamtshayisa wapheze wabhubha. Wajanyelwa ihliziyo yamahlandla ambalwa wasindiswa lithemba likayise. Ngemva kwemvekale lesibhedlela angavuka lisona namanceba nomthelela wasafuthi empilweni yakhe. Njenganje selazinikele ekuchotshozeleni ukuphepha endleleni.
And I was slowing down to a red traffic light, when all I remember seeing is headlights where they should not have been, and I woke up from a coma.
Impilo kaZolethu ichuguluke ngendlela irarako ngemva kwengozi le.
And I now have anti-retrograde amnesia, where every 3 days my memory resets, and I cannot remember anything past 3 days before the car crash.
UZolethu uba umaSouth Africa ukuthi angatshayela hamlile begodu alandele yonke imithetho yendlela. Kanti nanyana ingozi zendlela zithinta wonke amaSouth Africa, abantwana ngibo abathindeka kakhulu. Ihlangano edosa phambili ukuphepha kwabantwana iThe Willwell Foundation izibophelele ekujugululeni lokhu ngokunikela ngentulo zabantwana zekoloyini ekhe zasetshenziswa phambilini emindenini engakhoni ukuzithengela zona.
I know what a parent feels like when they get that devastating news that your child that you said goodbye this morning is never coming back. Now we have a bigger need for car seats than we have car seats.
Ngokuphela kwakahobo yomnyanga lo sehle ngenani elingaphezudlwana kwephesenti linye isibalo sengozi zendlela nakungmadaniswa nango-2024 ekukhombisa imizamo yemphathimandla yokulinga ukuphungula ukubhubha kwabantu engozini zendlela elizweni lonke. Kodwa nanyana njalo ilizweli lisaragela phambili nokuliswana nengozi zendlela ezihlahlathisa umzimba ezifana nengozi eyenzeke eLimpopo kwabhubha abantu abama-43 ekukhombisa ukuthi mnengo umsebenzi kusafanele wenziwe.
Ayaraga amalungiselelo womngcwabo wabentazana ababili uThiyamo Moramaga weminyaka ema-20 ubudala noBaliseng Moramaga weminyaka ema-21 ubudala eLukhawu engaphandle kweGroblersdal eLimpopo. Abanazana babulewe eMamelodi East ePitori kanti intombi zabo zafunyanwa ekuseni ngoSonto ipelaveke edlulileko.
Indaba zokubulawa kwabantazana aba zisile ngabaningi. Njengoba amalungiselelo womngcwabo araga, abangani nomphakathi bahlangene ukuzokudodoza umndeni. Utebogo Mnisi weminyaka ema-30 nobunane ubudala osola ngecala lokubulala usesitokisini ekhotho kaMagistrata eMamelodi. Imndeni ithi angeze ayikhohlwa lento ebaveleleko.
Ibile tlhoba boroko go rena ga gologolo lebile re kwa gore ke motho ka o te ya dirile ntiragale tle gore iputshane mo gore na gore ana motho e bunyamasana yo bona bo motsene ska.
UBaliseng noThiyamo bafuthukile eMamelodi ngo-2023 nango-2024 ngemva kokuzihlolisa eUniversity iUNISA. Umndeni busalinde litho likhulu kibo.
Ngwana o ka kwa feditse matric wa ra go mo kuketsa wa kwa kuketsega gore nna motswadi ke nya koria se swana go se nna motswadi ke nyaka gore ya se swana go se a ba fitlhelela a le ka gare ga sona o letetse dipoeletše kaone
ba hlathulule njengabentazana egade bahlala bathabile bazwana khulu
jwale ka family re nyaka bona go phethagala toka ka bana ba khotse bana ba ase bana ba go tshwenya ke bana ba lethabo ba fophela ba thabile ke rekisha mo renkeng ya Groblersdal every day ga ba tsamaye ba feta go nna
utsiya mono ba leseng moramaga ba beka kusasa elukau umphakathi usabithekile kanti bafuna ubulungiswa nasizwe lize Mamelodi nakwamthweni endaweni yaGamore ebeyaziwe ngeGamel Referee B eMpumalanga kwenziwa amalungiselelo namhlanje wokubeka amalunga amane womndeni lo abhubhele engozini embi yekoloyi ngeveke epheleleko ku N11 hlangana neMiddelburg neLoskopdam uthe bona kuzwakala umkhosi kwamthweni umphakathi wasekumela phezulu walula izandla ukusiza lo mndeni kilobo budisi oqalene nabo womana amalunga womndeni wakwamthweni ayokungcwatshwa kusasa ekonzweni yokuthoma eholweni umphakathi khona Gamore.
Amalunga weParliament avumelene ukuthi kufuneka amahlelo okulisisa abantu ukugembula ngorhabawo. Lokhu kuvele nakubanjwe inkulumo-mpendulwano eParliament ngaphasi kwesiqubulo lesithi The Gambling Crisis in South Africa and the Need for the Measures to Better Regulate the Gambling Industry to Protect South Africans from Gambling Addiction. Amalunga weParliament amaningi akhombele ukuthi kuthathwa amagadango ngorhabawo.
Amalunga weParliament athi ukugembula kufana nekhwekhwe eluluma isiphelani. Umuntu nakathola imadlana yiphelela khona ekugembuleni. Ilinganiselwa ku 1.5 trillion yamaranda imali esetshenziswa ukugembula.
This is not just entertainment anymore. This is exploitation of the poor and vulnerable. And the winner every single time is the casino.
The majority of black South Africans live in despair, and the gambling industry profits directly from that despair.
Young people are increasingly lured into high-risk behavior by aggressive marketing, particularly through unregulated online platforms.
We must limit gambling advertisement, especially during family hours between 5 a.m. and 10 a.m. Why should a school child bear betting jingles before going to class?
Open any social media platform, turn on the TV, or walk through our airports, and you are surrounded by these messages. Gambling advertising has become excessive.
This debate implicitly suggests that the gambling industry crisis has become a daily routine of consuming allowance share of poor and working class households.
We need to mandate operators to allocate at least 40% of their marketing budget to promoting responsible gambling. No one should gamble with the money they do not have.
Kanti nesibalo sabantu abangene ngehloko ekugembuleni elizweni sikhuphukile.
Ake siqale umbono wakho ngendaba yokugembula kwabantu nakuyalandela.
Ungidabisa kakhulu ukuthi ke naba Hall 370 bayiqeda khona le mali egembuleni. Ngingomunye wabantu asebe umlutha wokugembula phecelezi asebe addicted egembuleni engazi ukuthi ngaphuma kanjani.
Ukugembula kwathoma ngeMchina bayilisa kwenza kama casino. Kuyathuwelela namkha kuthuweleleke.
Ukuze kube nokugembula okuningi emkhathi. Kwenza ukuthi umsebenzi awukho la eSouth Africa.
Lento leyo siphilisa ngayo sinisiyawina bakhona abadliwako baphenze bawina futhi
sekudliwa nemali zokondla abantwana manje nezimali zegrant seziphelela kwimigembulo
leyo kubheja lena hayi into engengaze ngayeka sidalo noma ngidliwa hayi ngiyaphikelela ngoba ngisuke nginethemba lokuthi ngelinye ilanga ngizobamba.
Kanti umbono ngeyombukeli SABC ayizukuthweswa umlando ukuziphendulela ngombono wombukeli. I-ofisi yezobulungiswa nezokuthuthukiswa komthethosisekelo lisejimeni elikhulu lokulandelela abazuzi bemali yesondlo sabantwana. Ungqongqotshe uMamoloko Kubayi ubambe ibizo kaBhokweni eMpumalanga ukukhuthaza bomma bona bazokuthatha imali yabo. Kanti ngaphezulu kwe-80 million yamaranda imali ezihlalele ngaphakathi kwe-account yomnyango lo.
Lihlelo lokukhuthaza abantu bona bayokufuna imali yesondlo sabantwana. Ingaphezulu kwe-80 million yamaranda imali engaphakathi kwe-account yomnyango ezobulungiswa nezokuthuthukiswa komthethosisekelo.
Currently we're sitting with about 84 million in our account that is meant to go to the children. So these are maintenance monies that are not claimed on behalf of those that are meant to receive the money.
Omunye waboma uthi kubuyele ekhotho yesondlo godu kulihlazo ngoba nobona ngasithi uyayikatelela ikambiso le.
They suffer while their father is still working, and he's not just working. He's working, he earns so much that he can take care of the kids. Even if I can ask that he take care of me, he can. But I'm not asking for too much, I'm asking only for the kids.
Nakusenjalo, khayela abasebenzi abaqala ukondliwa kwabantwana esifundeni. Basebenza abalichumnane, fuze basebenze emakhotha amachumi amane.
Maintenance is something that is a process. It requires maturity and then patience. It is very challenging. So that is why it is a process. It is not an event. An event is something that you can motivate a person. But then when it's a process, you want people with maturity.
Uhulumende bawa babelethi bona bangasebenzisa abantwana ukuphumelelisa ingkhuluphelo zabo.
Nasibuya entolo.
La sithengisa amaplantshisi baba sihelebha abatshalako ukuthi bakhona ukutshala.
Asikhona ukuhlala ngezandla. Na uthola ithuba elifana naleli uyakhona ukuthi nawe kube nemadlanyana okhona ukuthi uyibeke uyifake esikhwameni.
Abalimi bendaweni ezingaphasi kwaMasipalata wethembisile hani bahlanganyele emakethe yezokuthengisa imikhiqizo yabo bebafundise nokuqhakatheka kokulima ekurageni umhlaba. Siyakwamukela mbukeli na uqeda ukungena. Kazi indaba ezi ziyatholakala ku YouTube, SABC Plus, TikTok, X na ku Facebook.
I-SABC izokurhatshela bunqopha ngokusemthethweni i-G20 SA 2025.
Liyakhula ithemba labalimi abasathuthuka kwekoroni yezokulima bese bakhulise imvande zabo bayokuthengisa nemirorho emarageni ezihleliweko. Njenga namhlanje ehlelwe nguMasipalata wethembisile hani eMpumalanga. Imeyara ethembisile hani eMpumalanga uLiseja Dihale uthi kuqhakathekile ukubekelela phambili amakhono wabantu ukuvuselela umnotho wesiyingi.
Igugu lakho ngilokhu othembele kiko ongakusebenzisa ukuthi kukubekele uburotho etafuleni. La magama akhulunywe balimi nabosomabhizinisi abasakhulako abahuluphele ukukhuthaza nabanye ukuthi isikhathi sichugulukile kanje. Ungahlali phasi uphutha umkhono. Ulile ngendlala unezandla. Bathi ukulima nokutshala kungezinye indlela zokuziphilisa kunye nokufukula umnotho wekhaya. Namhlanje akhange bavumele ukuphazanyiswa mamafu ebekagubele izulu. Bavele endaweni ezihlukahlukeneko beza nemirorho yabo nokhunya bazenzele khona ngezandla zabo. Bayokuthengisa emarageni abayihlelelwe nguMasipalata wethembisile. Balitsho ngalizwi linye lokuthi azibuye emasisweni. Impilo isihlabathini.
Amakhabiji la ngiwatshalile from the scratch luckily ngiwavune namhlanje bengithoma ukuwavuna ibhetch yami yokuthoma engikhipha umkhiqizo wami lo.
Yes, la sithengisa amaplantshisi baba sihelebha abatshalako ukuthi bakhona ukutshala. Bangathomi phasi ngokutshala ngokurhasha imbewu. Bazithenga sezisobe sebazifaka ehlabathini ziyaqhubeka ziyakhula.
Amathuba afana nala abaluleke kakhulu emphakathini ayakhona ukuthi asithuthukise thina asikhona ukuhlala ngezandla. Na uthola ithuba elifana naleli uyakhona ukuthi nawe kube nemadlanyana okhona ukuthi uyibeke uyifake esikhwameni.
So ibeetroot bengiphethe amabhaketa ayi-2 ebeetroot. So bayiqedile ibeetroot then ngapha na ubonako bengiphethe umrorho ngisonga uhutsha then ngizothatha ngafaka ngaphakathi apha. So nampurna sowuphelile.
Umeyara wethembisile unamahlelo okulekelela umphakathi ukusebenzisa umhlaba ngendlela esikimisa umnotho obogabogabo.
Sibone ukuthi kuhle ukuthi sivuselele le sector ye-agriculture ethembisile. Ngalokho ke siberekisana ne-Department of Agriculture sizoba ne-summit. That is why sibalethile abantu bakithi sibabhalisile phansi sizobabizela la siyenza ukuthi kube ne-association yabantu abalimayo.
Abalimi njengomana baphethe nemplantshisi nje bachochozela ukuthi mbala bazozithatha bakhuthalele ukuya emarageni lapha kuthengiswa khona imirorho ukuze kuzokuthuthuka umnotho walapha kwaNdebele. Ngingumabhande Thombeni wendabeni ze-SABC eMthombo Muhle eMpumalanga.
Zihlalele evalweni izakhamuzi ezihlalahlanu kwesiciwi senyamazana eMthethomusha Nature Reserve ePinari eMpumalanga ngemva kokweqa kwenilwane esiciwini lesi. Lokho njengobana idrada ebiyele isiciwesi iwile nokubangela ukuthi inilwane eziningi khulukhulu indlovu zithusela amalunga omphakathi. Inibandane ezikaningi kuthiwa zona intshalo kanti umphakathi usabela ukuthi zizokulimaza nefuyo.
Izakhamuzi zempangeni eluphisi kaJantshi zisola iziko lezivakatshobukelo nezamaphaki iMpumalanga Tourism and Parks Agency ngokubhalelwa ukuvalela inilwana ngefanelo. Izakhamuzi ezizipatsho impilo yabo isengozini. Isiciwi senyamazane esikubikwa ukuthi sihlalisa indlovu ezingaphezulu kwama300.
Sibafuyi si-affecteke kakhulu ngekuphuma kwetindlovu la isiciwini ngoba sinemadamu lamancane lapha. Tindlovu tifike tigezela kuleli damu lethu linye tigeze tijabule naloko emadradi wethu lesikwakhile.
Tisengasi kangaka but lokuphuma kwathu tite la emphakathini sitibona tingoti kakhulu.
Umlimi wendawo uTpatsho ukateleleke ukuthi achiye iplasi lakhe ngonobangela wenilwana.
Sihlangabetana nale nkinga yaletilwane letiphuma la eMthethomusha. Titsina tiphuma la eMthethomusha destroy idradi tingene tibulale konke lokhu lesikutshalile.
iMpumalanga Tourism and Parks Agency ithi isitshijilwesi sibangelwa ukoniwa kwepahla. Isiciwesi sithi sijamiselele idrada engaba amakilometha 52 eminyakeni emibili edluleko ebize imali ebalela ku46 million yamaranda.
Asinakho ukunciphetelisa komphakathi mangabe kwenteka either imfuyo yabo noma ama crops abe affected or abe damaged by tilwane tethu ngoba it's something in national office labasazama kusinceda ngayo.
Ukunene akhange azibophelele ngokulilisa abalimi abalahlekelwe zintshalo zabo waveza ukuthi indaba le isehelweni lemisebenzi kahulumende ophezulu.
Kezemali ranta lehlile nalinganisa nezinye imali ezikulu. Kezemidlalo umbanduli weMamelodi Sundowns uMiguel Cardoso uthi uthabile ukuthi umdlali wemathunjini uTeboho Mokoena ubuyele ezingene bekadlala ngalo. Kodwa uMokoena oneminyaka ema-29 ubudala uzabe angekho emidlalweni weligi kusasa nababambana neOrlando Pirates.
Mokoena besola indaba ekhulunywako ebathandini ibhola erarhwako enyangeni ezidlululeko. Khabe ngakafanele adlala umdlalo wokuhlungela ibhigiri yephasi neLesotho ngoNtaka okwenza boni bafana ithathelwa amaphuzu amathathu womdlalo loyo. Khathesi uMokoena sekafumene amakarata asarulana amane okumfundisa ngomdlalo wakusasa namabhakabhaka.
I just hope that the ones that we're going to feature or put to play are on the height of him. I think that it's clear for everybody that Teboho had a very difficult moment on his personal life due to the situation that he had to deal with.
Abafana bastyle baloba umdlalo munye emidlalweni elithumi yeligi abayidlalileko isizini le kanti bafuna ukuthumba umdlalo wakusasa.
The game will be very much interesting for both teams because like I said it's never an easy game to play against Pirates because you see this season they've been doing well. For us is to make sure we match them as well because we're a big team as well.
Umdlalo udlalelwe etatawini leLoftus Versfeld kanti umdlalo walokya weSundowns neKaizer Chiefs uGeorge Maluleka uthi abalandeli bengiqhema zombili bazabe bazela ikunda bazokukhuthaza abadlali.
More bounce on the seats and it's encouraging for players when they see a packed stadium, because then they don't want to disappoint anyone. They will play to their fullest.
Umdlalo uthoma na ema-30 imzuzu ibethile isimbi yesithathu ntambama kanti uzowufumana bunqopha ku-SABC 1.